Our walkout team coverage with a look at what districts plan to do next. Their current plans are already scrolling right there at the bottom of your screen. And now we are looking into how this walkout will impact school calendars later on. ABC 15's Sonu Wasu is looking into that hot topic tonight. And Sonu, it's really a mixed bag.
It is, Stephanie. Every parent I've spoken to tonight tell me they support the reason for this walkout, but they are worried because their children are not in school. Here in Mesa, a town hall just about to begin here at the Red Mountain Community Church. This one is organized by teachers who were at the state capitol just a few hours ago. They are here tonight to answer questions from parents about why they have walked out of their schools. We are seeing a lot of Red for Ed signs out here in the parking lot. These Mesa teachers tell me they know that some parents are upset about their decision, but they're hoping answering some of their questions tonight will change that.
This is about our kids. It's not about a certain teacher. It's not about an organization or anything like that.
But with almost every public school in the valley closed, many parents are starting to worry, not just about the lost hours in the classroom, but about the extra days schools may be forced to add on after the last day of school. Make-up days they weren't expecting. By law, districts have to clock in 180 days in class or 720 hours.
But I have a very small limited time. We saved all year for our summer plans to go visit family in Greece. So we have a few days that we can make up, and after that we break into quite a bit of money that we've already paid for tickets.
My son, he goes to a camp for summer for hockey. Now, if he has to be in school during that camp, I now lose close to $500 because I can't get him there, but I don't get my money back.
Then there's the worry about graduations and students who have a job lined up. We spoke to a Chandler mom who's very concerned about her daughter's first day of work.
And right now she's upset. She's freaked out about whether or not she can start her paid position.
But with no sign of when these walkouts will end, some school districts are telling parents school is closed indefinitely. In Scottsdale, the school board called a special meeting today to discuss options. In Buckeye, parents are told kids may have to go to school on Saturdays. And in Fountain Hills, everything from longer school days to shorter recess and no more half days on the table to make up for lost time.
I understand why they're doing it, and I'm totally supportive of them. It's just, it is causing a hardship on us.
The town hall here in Mesa is expected to go until 7 o'clock tonight. Now, we've got a complete list of those school closures and districts that have announced make-up plans also posted on our website, abc15.com. You'll see it right there on the homepage. Reporting live in Mesa, Sonu Wasu, ABC 15, Arizona.
Sonu, thank you. We're staying on top of all the new developments coming in tonight on the teacher walkout. We're going to have even more updates later on in this newscast, and you can always track where things stand on abc15.com as well as our mobile app.